All right, this is going to be Starship Trooper by Yes. We just saw them on Sunday night, and Steve Howe is 78 years old, and he is still burning like crazy. It was incredible. He's making faces with people. He's doing little leg kicks, man. He's like kicking that pedal steel around. It was very impressive. So I'm not going to do the middle acoustic, fast ragtime kind of finger picking thing. We're going to do basically all the rest of the song, though. So we're going to start out with... So that's an E chord to a type of an A chord. This A chord is going to be muting the big string, and then 7, 7, 6, open, open. So it's like an A chord with a B in it, which is kind of like an A9. Okay, so we're going to have one beat each on these. We got... And then this finger picking thing starts. Okay, so what that is, and he's hybrid picking this, so he's got the pick in his hand over here, but he's going to use these two fingers to get the high strings. So it's 13 on the G, open E, and then 10th fret of the second string, and you get into a little pattern like... So we switch to the 11 there, so... And then we go to the 14 on the D string, and we keep those same two high notes each time, open and 10. So it's 13, 11, 14, 13, and then we come back up to the 13 on the G. So we do the same thing twice there. And then we follow that with a... Okay, so that's 9 to 11 hammer on the D. Back to the 9, and then we're back into the 1 strum each. Same riff again. Now the verse starts. The verse is going to be E to this A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 beats. It's 1 beat on the E, and then you have 6 beats that you hold on this type of A chord. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to E, we're going to go boom, boom. And that's 1 bar of 4 beats, so that feels pretty natural. So 2, 3, 5, 6. Then we're going to do that all again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is going to be part 2 of the verse. We're going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. So we only have 2 beats on the E that time. So the beginning was normal. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, and then we're gonna go. Okay, so that chord is 7, 5, and 7, starting on the D string. We're gonna go down, 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 up, and then we're gonna go to the same chord over here, 5, 3, 5, and you can kind of slide it down there, so it's. And that's also a bum, bum, da, 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 da. Then we have a 3, B string, 5 on the G. And then we're kind of doing 2 3s here on the G and the B, hammering into the 4 of the G, and you got that 5 right there, and this chord can kind of slide down. It holds for just a quick second, a beat or so. So this verse part 2 is going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 2 beats. And then we resume. 2, 3, 4. Now this one's a little different. We're only going to do 4 beats on this one, and then we're going to do a 7/8 measure, which is like counting like 7 fast beats. So these are like slow beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that one we had 2 bars of the E there. So once again, that last part was 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second bar of E there. And then we're back to another verse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do that again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're on that verse part 2 again. The difference there is like we got the 6 beats there and only 2 beats to this, and we add that little chord riff. So we're gonna have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 beats. And then this part is going to end with 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that was that. 4 beats plus 7 fast ones. So once again, it was 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have a new chord, C with a G bass, B minor. This is an A minor 9. It's open on the A, then 7, 5, open, open. So we got. Then we're into a bass solo. It's going to go back to B minor. We'll do this B minor over here. So this new part was C, G, B minor, A minor 9, and then the bass solo starts. 3, 4. We got 4 bars on this B minor. Now we start type of verse 2. So this is going to go kind of like our intro riff, but a little different. So we got the 13, 11, 14, 13. Now this thing is going to end with an 11 on the D to the little string open, back to the 14 to the little string. So it's. And then we have a new part. Okay, so this stuff is getting tricky. So we got 7 to 9 hammer on to the 8 on the second string, back to the 7 on the G, and then we're gonna get into one of those 2-string picking things down here. So we got the 10 on the D there. So 7, 10, 9. And then we're going to go 7 to the 8, and then 10 on the A string to that 8. So it ends with 7, 8, 10, 8. So it's. Okay, so let's go through this again. We got. And obviously check out the tab on this because this is pretty complicated stuff. Now we're going to make like an F shape here. We got 8 with 10s. We're going to go. So we have the 8 and then the second string and third string, and then we're going to go to the 7 for the bass. And when we do that, we're going to go to the G and D strings for those 10s. So we got higher 10s, lower 10s, and then we're going to go to the 10 down here in the bass. Still doing the G and D strings there on those 10s. And then 8 down here. And then 10 to 10 on the G, and then 8, 10 on the A and D strings there. So this new part is. Okay, so in kind of up to speed, we got. Okay, then we're going to jump down to this B flat chord. We're going to have big 6 here with an 8 and 7. We're going to go. We're going to hit the bass and then the G string to D string, the 6 to 7. Take the bass down to the 5. Back. So we got the 6, 5, 6. Get the pinky up there to get that 8. So we got. And then we're going to go. So big 8 to 10, and then G string 10. Okay, so we got. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the 4 down here. Okay, and then we're going to have F for quick 7 beats, a 7/8 measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're back. Got that F, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this one is weird. We're gonna hit the G here, and it's going to be like there's a measure of 5/8 and then 4/8. But you got to think about the riff that happens. It's like bum ba da ba da ba da bum ba da ba da ba dum. Okay, so there's 2 hits on the G, but it's kind of where they're placed that's interesting. So then at that point we'd be back into the intro. And we do that twice again, just like the intro did. And then we'd be into another set of verses here. We're gonna have the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the verses play out just the same as they did before. You're going to end up finishing it with like a 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then they get into that, he gets into that fast ragtime finger picking thing. And when we watched the show the other night, they bring out an acoustic guitar. And at this point, he's still got his electric on. He just reaches over on the acoustic and plays that whole finger picking thing until it's done. And then he pops back to his electric. It was pretty slick. Okay, then we have an interlude that's going to be. So this is the same as like our verse part 2. Except it's going to come down here. And it's not going to go to that lower one. So it only goes to the lower one when he's singing a verse. Okay, so this whole thing would be like. Starts over again. So the 5th time is when he starts singing and he adds that extra part. So we add that extra part here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're back. Six, 7. Okay, then we're into the Wurm section. Okay, so it's like a C chord, but it's got the bass note on the big E string. And it's like got the pinky down here too. So it's 10, mute the A, and then 9, then open, then 8, then 10. We're gonna use that same shape down here with the bass note on the 6th fret, and then the bass note on the 3rd fret. So the strum on that is like a down, 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 up, down, up. So down, 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 up on that first one. And this one we're gonna go up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So up, down, and then down, up, down, and we're gonna slide that last one down there. So it's like. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. So the last one is down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. So we went up to the octave on that one. So he does that like maybe once or twice. So. So it continues on like that. It's got a blistering like double solo, kind of he trades off with himself. Killer stuff. So maybe we'll look into that eventually. I'm definitely going to do a lesson to get that part that we skipped, the ragtime finger picking stuff. I just got to work on it because it's really complex. Okay, so I hope you guys dug this. Yes, still going strong. The new singer guy they have was fantastic. The bass player, Billy, amazing. Everybody just killing it. Jeff Downs was in there on keyboards. Drummer was spectacular. Steve Howe, 78 years old. My hero, I got to say. So got tabs with this. Thanks a lot. We'll see y'all later. Peace.